message is transmitted at the request of the Cumberland County Emergency Management. A dangerous situation is unfolding in downtown Portland. A radioactive material is rapidly melting all structures in the area as well as all vehicles in the area. The source of these materials was generated by this individual, Radioactive King. Radioactive King is responsible for all mass casualties and buildings melting. As of this, stay inside your home, cover up all cracks, and make sure you wear a gas mask when going outside. Due to the massive spread of these materials, it has also contaminated all of the water shore in the Portland area. This causes all boats in the water to be melted down. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. Make sure you shelter in place. This broadcast will be suspended until further notice. And repeating, a radiological hazardous warning has been issued for Cumberland County until further notice.